What's up guys, so today welcome to another video on which it's on Scratch. I will be teaching you how to make a hoverable button on Scratch. So first step is to hit the create button. Then it will take you to the editor as it says here in the link. After it loads, you'll have to follow me because maybe the button has to be very smooth. But first, I'll give you two styles. Just make a square. Fill it with any color you want. For now, I'll go with red. A little bit like this, rose red. And that line will be black with a few four. Now I'm going to make it like this. Resize it a bit. And I'll use the reshape tool to put it to just right size. So I'll click on this corner, so click, 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 click. Now I'll delete these corners, the right hand. So 1, 2, 3, select the last one and then press backspace for delete. Now we have a smooth button, but in case you might want to make it a bit creamy. This is just optional because this is one of the ways and techniques to make it. Actually, let's do that later. Let's just put this, snap it to the center grid and make this duplicate, right click and press duplicate. Now you'll copy and paste this, put it in the back layer, make it a little bit shaded, a little bit more shaded, so when you select hover, it'll hover. So one clicked, I'll just zoom this and a bit. One click, switch costume to costume 1, forever, if else, touching mouse pointer, snap this here, if touching mouse pointer then, switch costume to costume 2, else switch costume to costume 1. Now we'll want to put this a little bit here so it looks fun. But maybe we'll try to make a sound or something. For example, meow. I'll choose a sound. Which one? I like the click button. Well, I guess I'll use the meow. So play some meow. Okay, let's just go. And if touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to 2. Then we might want to change the size a bit. But first let's put it back. Let's try 200. Yeah, I'll make it 200. And 0, Y, and 0. Set size to 200. Set size to 200. If then equals 50, delete 50, make it wait, actually let's make it 100. Size option, the thingy, the value, size equals 200 then. Let's do the change size by 10. Change size by negative 10. change size. Wait, maybe let's do the change size by -10 also here. Okay, never mind. Let's just set size to 100. No, let's do 150. Just try to get the perfect size. Okay, so there. Maybe here. So if touching mouse pointer again, switch costume to the second costume, and then change size by 10. If size equals 150, then wait, 110. Maybe this size will work out. No, actually 120 might do. Okay. Let's duplicate this button. Wait, maybe let's do the text button and let's name that so we don't get confused. Now I wanna go with handwriting. Let's make a play button. Green play. I'm gonna make that capitalized. Just readable. Now copy, paste. Okay, now that looks fine. Now let's duplicate that, and this time let's make how about a circle button? So let's make it red. Outline will be for that. It's actually pink, but yeah, let's just give it that. Put it to back layer. Make it a little bit darker. And now we have this button. Let's make it copy, paste. Wait, that. Okay, now we have these chord styles. Let's move this a little bit here to make it match. Okay, now so try to customize this and see what you want it to be. And bye. See you guys next time, because I'm gonna share this project, make it public, and UI buttons. Saving project. Set thumbnail. And that's it. Bye guys. See you later. Actually, I don't think I look at it. Bye. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.